How's it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, and today I'm gonna show you this. Take a look at this. How to use live wallpapers on your iPhone in iOS 18. Let's get started. Okay guys, so in order to use live wallpaper, we're gonna use the photos that we take from our camera, our normal photos, but we gotta make sure that the live photos feature is enabled. Okay, so in order to use live wallpaper, we need live photos. So take a look at the live photos icon right here, which looks like a sun pretty much, right here in the middle. Tap on it, it's gonna say live off, and just to make sure, tap on it once again, it's gonna say live. And so all the photos that we take from now on from our camera, we'll be able to turn them into live wallpapers, just like you saw in the intro of this video. Please keep in mind that if you have previous photos taken with live photos, you'll be able to turn them into live wallpapers as well. I'm gonna show you, okay? So let me go ahead and show you right now. So let me go ahead and take a photo of this plant, fake plant, right? And then I'm gonna have some motion right here. And then I'm gonna take the photo with live photo, as you just saw. And then I'm gonna be able to turn this photo into a live wallpaper. As I tap on it right here, you see live, and that's the indication that this will become a live wallpaper if I want to. Okay, so if you want to go ahead and take a look at previous photos, if they have live, you'll be able to turn them as well. And just to make sure, you can tap and hold on the photo. You see motion, right? You see the little video. This means that we're good to go. All you have to do is tap here on the share button at the bottom left corner, and then swipe up, use as wallpaper. As you can see right here, it's gonna prepare, it's gonna load right here, as you can see, and by default, it will be turned off. As you tap on it, it'll be turned on, as you can see, with motion. Of course, you can adjust, you can make it smaller or taller or bigger or smaller, as you can see. And we have motion, as you can see, and it's gonna continuously play back just so you can go ahead and take a look. And then as I tap on add, as you can see, I can set as a wallpaper pair. And then as I lock my iPhone and then tap on it to wake it, there we go, we've got motion. Of course, this is a very bad example, but I also want to show you something else. I want to show you how you can adjust perfectly which part of the live photo actually creates the movement right here in your wallpaper. So it's a fine tuning, but it's very important. Let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, I've got here that very same photo you saw in the intro, right? And as you can see, it is a live photo, so I can use it as a live wallpaper. But the thing is, if I just go ahead, share, and set as a wallpaper, I won't necessarily get that perfect movement of the little ears as you just saw in the intro, because the live photo is too big. And the live wallpaper just uses some frames of that full live photo. So if I want to fine tune and get the exact motion that I want, I will actually have to tap on this icon, which is the edit icon, as you can see, and then tap on live and then fine tune to the exact part that I want. In this case, I want to slide all the way back to this portion where the little ears go up, as you can see. And so I can tap on make key photo, and then that's the exact portion that I want. So I can tap on done, and then share, and then swipe up, use as wallpaper, and then it's gonna prepare the exact same thing, and then it's gonna create the little video. I'm gonna tap on it to enable, and then as you can see, the little ears will pop up exactly that portion that I want. So then, of course, I can readjust if I want to, move it to the side with 2 fingers, and then tap on add, and then it's saving, set as wallpaper pair. And then as I lock my iPhone, take a look at this beauty. I just love this. And that's it, guys. That's how you set a live wallpaper on your iPhone that looks absolutely beautiful. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos, guys. Bye bye.